We're going to talk about the evaluation over here. So first, okay, if I put anything in the no calculator portion, you need to know how to simplify this one. I'm going to show you at the end of it how to put it in the calculator also, but at the beginning you need to know how to put it in the, and also this is important for you for next year. When you go to your pre-cal, you really need to know how to simplify them using no calculator. Please pay attention. Okay, now for the first one, look at this one over here. Every time your whole goal is to match the base with the initial value, base with the number. So if you can match that one, your job is done, because that's going to give you a 1. So over here, if you look at this one, my base is 3 and they gave me 81. I have to rewrite 81 in a form so I can make the base and 81 the same number. So it's going to give, I can cancel that one. Look at this over here. I have log base is 3. 81, how can I make it a power? So it's going to give me also a base 3. What power I can put on 3, so that's going to give me 81. Let me rephrase. 4. So 3 to the power 4, that's 81. And now, whenever your base in the number over here, that matches, the whole thing becomes a 1. So this entire thing is now is going to be 1. So it means the whole thing is gone. The only thing left is 4.
But it's like to the power of, so would it just become like a regular 4 or would it stay?
Just the regular 4, yeah. Because this whole thing is going to be gone. It's not there anymore. The only thing left is 4. Questions? Let's do a few more. It will make more sense to you. Let's look at B. Try C first. Go ahead, do it by yourself. Then I'm going to show you B. Go ahead, do it by yourself. C. I'm giving you 30 seconds. It shouldn't take that long though. If you are done, raise your hand. I can have a quick look.
Doesn't have to erase you.
All right, let's check this one. So for C, if you put it over here, it's going to be log 12. And how did you break it down?
12 square.
12 square. So this whole thing is gone. It's going to be 2. We good? All right. Let's look at B over here. Please pay attention. Please pay attention. I need your attention over here. So for B, what happens over here is log 4. I have 1/2. How can I make it a whole number? It's a fraction. How can I make it a whole number? -1. So let's put 2 to the power -1. Is everybody good up to here? Okay, -1 we can make it. Great. Now I have a 4, I have a 2. I need to match both of them. I cannot break this down. Remember, this has to stay exactly how it is. I cannot change anything. I cannot break it down. I cannot put it as a square. Nothing. So I need to do something to 2 so I can make it a 4. Huh? Square root of 2 or square root of 4? Square root of 4 is going to give me a 2. He was almost there though. So if I put square root of 4, square root of 4 is 2. So I have to. I'm not changing anything. I'm just rewriting it, twisting it a little bit so I can match it. Don't forget, on the top you have a power -1. This power will carry over. This is the place where most of you do it wrong, that you forget that you are going to carry over the power. Now tell me, what is the power for square root? 1/2. So it's going to be log 4 to the power 1/2. On the top I have a -1. Everybody good up to here? Give me a thumbs up, please. Are we good? Great. Now power over a power. We multiply. Great. So it's going to be log 4 to the power negative 1/2. This whole thing is gone. The value is going to be negative 1/2. Question, confusion, anything? We good? Great. Do D and E. Try to do E by yourself. I'm giving you a minute. Kevin, about D, what's the value? What's the answer? Negative 2. So here, what we're going to do here is log 6, and then 1 over 36, I can write it as 36 to the power negative 1. Oh, sorry. And then this 36, I can break it as 6 square. That's going to give me 36. So log 6, 6 square. And on the top of it, I have a negative 1. Power over a power, they're multiplied with each other. Negative 2. This whole thing will be vanished. And this is going to give me a negative 2. Could anyone do E? You did it? I'm not judging anybody. I'm just asking. Okay, let's look at this one. Huh? It is negative 2. Okay. Let's look at this one. Please pay attention. So now I have log 2 over 3, and this one is 9 over 4. I need to make it a 2 over 3. I cannot make this one a 2 over 3 if I have the 4 at the bottom. So I need to flip it. Remember, whenever you have a fraction, when we put a negative sign on it, it becomes a whole number. It means what? 1/2, when I put a negative, it means I'm flipping it and making it a 2 over 1, correct? So every time if you put a negative power, you're technically flipping it, correct? So we can do the same thing over here as well. I can make this one a 4 over 9 and put a negative power over here. Make sense? Everybody good with me? All right. Now here, 4 over 9 is what? I can make it a 2 over 3. How can I do it? Square. So 2/3 square. So let's do that. Log 2 over 3. And then on the top, I'm going to have 2 over 3 square. Don't forget, I have this negative 1. So here, log 2 over 3, and then 2 over 3 to the power negative 2. This whole thing will become a 1, and the answer is negative 2. Now I want to show you how to use the big calculator.
Do we get one?
Yeah, get one. In some parts, yeah. I'll allow it in some parts. And some you're not going to get. Clear everything. Second plus 7, 1, 2. So the RAM is cleared, and we're going to turn it on. Now there are two different ways you can do it. One is go to math and then keep going down, and if you go to A, hit enter, it's going to bring you to this log base, and whatever base you want to put. I'm putting for F, so log 0.25. And over here we can plug in 4, take it out. I was trying to show this side how I'm typing. Okay. Let me type it again. So you go to math and then keep going down and go to A, hit enter. It's going to bring you the log. I'm typing F. So 0.25. And then over here it's a 4. Take it out, hit enter. It's going to be -1. There is another way of doing it. If you go to alpha, window, and then number 5. That's also going to bring it for you. So whichever works for you. Alpha, window, number 5. Some people just go to math and then all the options are there. You can pick whichever you need to. That's one way, or this is the quicker way. Alpha, window, 5. And then same thing, you're going to type 0.25. Inside we're going to have 4. Hit enter, it's going to give you -1. All right, go ahead, do the rest of it. I'm giving you 3 minutes. It shouldn't take that long. Okay, let's check the answers. Check your answers with mine. G, there will be no solution. H is 2/3. I, -3/4. Now it depends how the answer choice is given for you. It can be given in mixed fraction, it can be given in decimals, or it can be given in regular fraction. So it depends. Improper fraction. It depends. You just have to check the answer choice. Okay? All right. Let's look at the next page. Now we're going to solve. And for solving, you need to know how to convert them. That's why we did that yesterday's lesson, so we can relate it over here. We're going to need these formulas to convert it to the exponential, and then from there we can solve them. Look at number 1 over here. So when you work on this one, the logarithm is given, and I have to bring it to the exponential. So I know log b base x is going to be equal to y. We're going to match. This is my b, this is my x, and this is going to be my y value. I'm going to make it to this one, b to the power y equal to x. So here 4 to the power 3 is going to be equal to 3x minus 5. We just converted it into the exponential. That's it. Is everybody good? Are we good? If you are missing it, sweetie, you were supposed to watch it, so you can come prepared when I'm teaching the next one because it's related.
I don't have a phone. Answers 20.
You got my idea? All right. Now over here, what's the value for 4 to the power 3? 64. It's going to be equal to 3x minus 5. So that's a regular one-step linear equation. You just add 5 on both sides. It's going to give you 69 is equal to 3x. Now what? Divide by 3. X is going to be equal to 23. That's it. Do number 3 by yourself. Go ahead, I'm giving you a minute. Should not be that long. Okay, so this one is going to be 3 square is equal to x minus 1. 3 square is going to be 9 is equal to x minus 1. Sorry, y minus. And then you add 1 on both sides. So x is going to be equal to 10. I want to show you number 4. Look at number 4. So this is ln, which is the natural log. Sometimes we consider it as e also. So So it depends on how the question is given for you and how the answer choices are given for you. You have to choose it. So if you look at this one, I have 2 ln 3x is equal to 8. I can rewrite this one. Remember, I gave a note the last class, so take the note one more time. ln is going to be equal to natural log of 10 base. I can replace ln with a natural log of 10 base. To do that, I can write it down. 2 natural log of 10 base 3x is equal to 8. Now what should I do? What should I do first? Huh? Do something with the 2? What should I do the something? Divide it. Let's divide both sides with the 2. So it's going to be log 10 base 3x is equal to 4. Now it's a regular equation. You can convert it and just do from there. Do it and give me the answer. You have to, your log has to be by itself before you convert it into the exponential. That has to be absolutely by itself on one side, and the other side can be, other side will have all the numbers.
I think that's the answer.
Are we good?
Big number.
It's a big number.
It's a decimal.
10,000.
It's a big number?
Very big. Final answer.
3,333.
Are you guys sure?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. So when you convert it, what did you write?
10 to the power 4.
10 to the power 4 is going to be equal to?
3x.
Great. So 10 to the power 4 is what? 4 is going to be equal to 3x. So you didn't do anything to the 3? Okay. So if you divide by 3, how can that be a very big number? It's going to be a very small number. Either you can keep it this way, or you can bring it into a decimal. It's going to be, I just kept it this way. I didn't divide or anything. I just kept it. Well, it depends on how the answer, again, it depends how the answer choices are given. You can convert it into a decimal, and if you convert this one, it's going to be 3, 4 divided by 3. Do number 2. I'm giving you 2 minutes, 1 minute. 1 minute should be more than enough. Okay, so over here it's going to be, we first subtract 3. It's going to be 4 ln 2x is equal to 12, and ln should be natural log, but I can divide both sides with a 4, and that's going to give me ln 2x is equal to 3. This is going to be log 10 base 2x is equal to 3, and if you convert it, x is going to be equal to 500. Now pay attention to number 5. Look at number 5, please. Over here, I have log on both sides. If that happens, you need to look at the base also. The base has to be exactly the same. Now over here, there is no base given. If there is no base given, what base do we take? 10. Not 1. 10. That's the natural log base. Okay? So we can rewrite this one. Log 10x is equal to log 10 3x plus 15. If you have log on both sides, there is nothing else with it, and the base is also exactly the same. If they have different base, one of them has a base 10, the other one has a base 2, we cannot do it. But if both of them has the exact same base, I can get rid of both of them, and the only thing left is going to be x equal to 3x plus 15. Now it's a regular linear equation, and I can just find the x value. Find it by yourself. Jason, what's the x value? X value. What is the x value?
I'm doing it right now.
Okay, go ahead, do it. I'll take it from you. You're solving a one-step linear equation, sweetie.
Yeah, wait, it can be a fraction, right?
Yeah, it can be a fraction. That's fine.
15 over negative, 15 over 2 negative.
Yeah. So x is going to be equal to, thank you, negative 15 over 2. Do number 6. I'm giving you a minute. All right. So for this one, I can get rid of the log from both sides. They have the same base. Now x squared minus 9 is going to be equal to 13. You add 3 on both sides. It's going to be x squared equal to 22. Now what should I do? So let's square root on both sides. X is going to be equal to plus and minus square root of 22. This is where so many of you do it wrong. You forget about the plus and minus. Yeah. Any question up to here? Any question? If not, go to your practice paper. There are 15 and 15. So there are 30 problems. Go ahead, get started. Only. I gave you a calculator.